Alright, so now I've placed the pattern down on the fold, which is the straight of the grain. The circle is now on the fold. The one pattern that we traced off, we placed it on the fold, opened up the fabric so it's the width is underneath here. This is 150 wide, selvage edges on either side. You can use some paper, some pattern weights. These are just faux leatherette with washers on the inside, and I just stitched the corners around so it's easy just to wipe them if they get dirty, and it keeps all the washers inside, so it's quite heavy. It keeps my pattern down from shifting when I am busy laying it down. You can add your pins in, don't go too close to the edge, about 2 centimeters or so from the edge of your pattern. So go ahead and pin it. You need to cut this open, which is your neckline. How about giving me some love by giving me a thumbs up, a share, and perhaps even subscribe? So you can head over to your sewing machine and you're going to do a roll hem around the bottom of the shawl and around the neckline meter, and then 1 centimeter again roll over to roll hem. I'm keeping my tension about 4 on number 4, so I don't want it too tight because this has got a stretch. Especially working on the curve, you don't want it to pull in, the tension needs to be correct. Alright, so the hemline is now complete. It's gone right around. And now you've got the neckline. Just do the exactly same, just do a roll hem all the way right around. Neckline is now completed. So the neck's been hemmed, the bottom has been hemmed. So now exciting, now you can wear it.